LetheKit is an open-source do-it-yourself device for offline cryptographic tools. For example, you can generate truly random seed and export it into different formats, including BIP39 and SSKR. Let's roll a dice. You can easily enter dice rolls into LetheKit. Additionally, you can mix in some hardware entropy and generate truly random seed. You can display the seed itself in UR, Uniform Resources, in text, or in the corresponding QR code. We can also choose to convert it into BIP39 words, or to SSKR shards, for example, 2 out of 3. Different formats include byte words and UR in text and QR code. Engrave your shard onto stainless steel to survive extreme conditions. Construct and export your HD keys to view them on another wallet. Moreover, view Bitcoin addresses derived from mnemonic seed with BIP32. Various formats include batch32 and UR in text and QR codes. Similarly, you can export your wallet descriptor to another device as a UR or base58. LetheKit wipes all data once turned off. You can restore your seed, however. For example, from SSKR shards. On success, the seed is restored and automatically converted to BIP39 mnemonic words. LetheKit is open source and can be built by yourself, which greatly reduces the risk of supply chain attacks. It is air-gapped and small enough to fit into your safe deposit box. We welcome anyone to take these ideas and code to make them work on other platforms. Powered by Blockchain Commons, our mission is to support open blockchain infrastructure. We're funded entirely by donations and collaborative partnerships with people like you, so please consider becoming our patron.